Alright, ladies and gents, today I'm bringing you yet another quick beat tutorial, and I am working with green tones today, obviously, and I can't lie, I had a lot of fun creating this look. I've just been loving working with color lately. I don't know what it is, I've just been feeling it. I've been doing so many colorful looks, and I know I said I will do natural looks, and I will do some natural makeup looks for those of you who watch my videos that do prefer natural makeup, but I've just been dipping into my James Charles palette almost every single time I've been doing my makeup, and I just love creating new color schemes and new kind of looks and things like that. So I hope you guys have been enjoying these colorful tutorials. I've also been posting some other looks that aren't on my YouTube channel over on my Instagram, so if you guys want to check that out, I will have my Instagram linked down below. I just said Instagram really weird. My face routine is the same exact routine that I did in my last video, or in my last full face tutorial I should say, because I think the last video I did was a quick beat. I don't know. So yeah, I wanted to just do something that was super fun and colorful, and so I asked on Instagram what you guys wanted to see or what color you wanted to see me work with, and someone said green, and I was like, you know what, it's been a hot minute since I've done a green look, so I figured today is the day. I actually don't normally wear greens that often because I have green eyes. I feel like, at least in my opinion, I feel like it kind of makes them blend in. I feel like they don't really stand out. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, maybe that's just me. I will link my other quick beat videos in the description down below in case you guys just want to see some shorter makeup tutorials, but if you're interested in seeing how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I did prime my lids prior to turning on my camera. I did it when I did my face makeup. I'm just going to be taking my Sephora Pro Shadow Brush and this beautiful true dark green shade. This is in the shade Daddy. I'm just focusing this in my crease line. I did forget, however, that I wanted to put on tape on my outer corner to make my life a bit easier and to create that kind of wung out cat eye shape. So I'm just lining that up on my outer corner, and then I'm just going back in with that shade and making sure that I just get an even amount of pigment from the inner corner of my crease all the way to the outer corner of my crease. And then I'm also very slightly going to bring this onto that outer corner of the eye. This is just going to help to give myself an idea of the shape that I'm going for, and this is more just for me visually than it is for the actual technique of the eyeshadow, because I am going to be concealing my lid at some point later. Sorry, I'm getting over being sick, so my voice is a little out of whack. But I'm taking this shade Social Blade with my Morphe E17 brush. I love this brush for this. It just works so well to blend out the shadow as well as put it down, and because it is smaller, I have better control of the product. So I'm just going in and I'm blending out that line that we just created, and I'm going to create a nice transition from that dark green shade to the lighter green shade up towards that brow bone. Now I'm using my Morphe M224 brush with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I am using this to cut my crease. I'm not going to be taking this all the way back to that outer corner because I am going to be keeping that darker. I just really want to focus on getting this first half of the lid bright because this is where I'm going to be putting other shadows, and I just want to make sure that they come out true to tone and not the shade with that dark green shade underneath it. Then I'm just reinforcing that Daddy shade as well as that Social Blade shade to just blend them nicely towards that inner third of the lid. So then I'm just going to pick up my JH41 brush with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm just going to be picking up the shade Face, and I am going to apply this right where that shadow isn't. So where I put down that concealer on that inner third of the lid, I'm going to focus on blending this back with the Social Blade shade just so that every shadow or each shadow kind of blends seamlessly into the next. And I'm just going to build this up until I'm happy with the pigmentation of it. Picking up the shade Spooky from the palette with an angled liner brush, I'm just going to focus on doing like a smoky wing with this. So I'm going to build this product up along that tape and down through my lash line, and then I'm going to buff it out and just really make sure that I'm smoking this out so that it's kind of buffed out at the top of the line, but there's more definition closer to my lashes. This is where the tape is really going to help because it's just going to make it so easy to get that crisp line, and you'll see when I take the tape off, it's just like the perfect wing. So if you ever struggle with wing liner, I definitely recommend trying this. I just line the tape up from the outer corner of my eye to the end of my brow, and that's kind of the angle or the degree that I go for my wing. Then I'm just taking those two shades that we used and I'm buffing those onto my lower lash line. So I didn't realize I was out of frame for this part, and wow, I actually look crazy, but I'm just putting on my Maybelline eyeliner in the shade Polished Amethyst. I don't love this. It's not the most pigmented, but it is a pretty shade, so I used it anyways. I'm just going to be girl, what's good with you? I'm going to be applying some mascara to my lashes, and I will be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. Now I'm going to be using my Très Chic lashes in the style Sassy. These are one of my favorite pairs of lashes. They're just perfect for a little bit more of a dramatic look. I do have a code with Très Chic lashes. If you use the code BRICK20 at checkout, you will save 20%. They are kind of low on lashes right now, however, they are in the middle of a rebranding. So once they put out new styles, I will let you guys know. I'm sure they're going to be freaking beautiful, but I am just applying these to my lashes as close to my lash line as possible. To finish off the look, I'm going to be using my Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me, and then over top of that, I'm going to be using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. Once I have both of those on, I'm going to be using my Dior Nude Lip Gloss, and then I realized I wanted a little bit more contrast with the lips, so I went in with my Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in the shade I'm Nude, and I put that in the center of my lips and then blended it out. So this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm actually really happy with the way this turned out. I wanted to create a green look that was, okay, I'm going to say a bit more wearable. Now I know for some people this is extreme and this is a lot of makeup, but because I did work with a gold tone with those green tones, I feel like it brings a little bit of the like earthy tone into the look. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you did, you already know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. That actually helps me out so much. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button as well as the bell button so you get notified when I post. Let me know what kinds of videos you want to see down below, or if there's any kind of colors you want to see me work with, or any kinds of palettes, or if you want to see something different than a makeup tutorial, just let me know down below and I will film that for you guys. Also, if you're not already following me on IG, I will have that link below. Check that out because I am very active on there. I post, I can't speak today. I post almost every single day, so make sure you check that out. I'm rambling now. I feel like I'm rambling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.